a baby snail. Snails are hermaphrodites. 1 month it's a female, the other month it's a male. Change their reproductory system. They have 4 eyes or 4 tentacles. 2 of them are used to see and 2 of them are used to sense where they're going. This is a baby because they grow like this big. They could be. And this is a brown common snail. When the weather is like this, it's a little bit cooler. Snails around the walking take up 20 or so over here. Oh, the cookie. That's the cookie frog. A male is around.
Careful, Maddox.
Everybody, you know that when we open a wine, oh, that's another one. When we open a wine, the wine, they use the top. The cork. This is a cork tree. This one right here, before I forgot. And this is a snail.
There's another one, a different shape. Oh, it's the same shape.
These are brown. This is baby. This is baby. Yeah. This is a scary cat. Why I call it a scary cat? It went all the way inside. It's inside. It's alive. Okay. They don't do nothing to us. But if you spot the green one and you touch the green one, they don't go inside. They're masochist. But these ones are scary cats. Yeah. That one is another scary cat. See? If you touch it inside, bloop, 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 it went inside.
Want it?
And that's mom. Yeah. Yeah, this is baby. Let me see. This is baby. Yeah. See? But whatever belongs to the name.